Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video we'll be telling you how we managed to get a turnover of 80,000 rupees in a single day by only spending less than 500 rupees in Facebook ads. So my name is Jason Thomas, this is my partner and brother Telson. So it would be really nice if you can just subscribe to our channel so that you would be helping us grow as this small channel, right? In this channel we would be telling you guys how we cracked some kind of marketing campaigns for our clients,
little tricks that we do to get maximum results.
Yeah,
To hack some hacks that allow us to grow way faster with lower budget as well.
yeah. So getting on to the video, we'll be talking about how the magic happened, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyways, I'll tell you a small backstory about it. So this product is a single product. So when the client actually came to us, he had really bad experiences with digital marketing. Like actually terrible.
Yeah. He had been working with multiple agencies in the past, and he would never get his returns according to its spends on social media, right?
Yeah, from what you have told, this one agency was a downright scam. So they got him like 35,000 fake likes, and they didn't promise any sales or anything. And then there was another agency who did okay, but then not good enough. They made a website and they tried to overcomplicate stuff. And 32 he spent 30,000 rupees and he got 30,000 rupees in the first.
And somehow he found us, and we thought that we could actually give him a helping hand. According to our knowledge and information, we decided to start the campaign.
So anyways, long story short, we moved to Shopify. We doubled down on Facebook ads. He cut out all of his offline ads, like newspaper, hoardings, notices, everything. He cut down on that. Facebook ads, Shopify. That is it.
And then our focus point and our team, right? We have a team of designers, content creators, and everything, right? So we as a team will be working together with him to somehow get his thing going, right? So getting on to the video.
The how we managed to do this campaign is it's not like an overnight thing. Actually, this is basically a sale. Okay, now don't get discouraged while saying it's a sale. That's why we got so many sales. No, we have done sales before. So we have done sales on Valentine's Day and Women's Day, is it? Yeah.
By sale mean we give discounts on special days, right? If it's Valentine's Day, we'll give 30% off. And just like that, since it was Eid recently, we decided to give it a shot, right?
Yeah, we gave it a shot and we asked him. He allowed us to give a small discount on the product. We put out the discounts, and usually when we run the sales, we get around 30% extra sales, like 30% increase in sales and all. But then this time we managed to clock in 86,852 rupees.
Yeah.
And the craziest part is we just only spent 500 rupees.
So yeah, you can see it here also. You can see
it's actually 494, not 500, because it actually matters. If it was 500, the two more products would have been sold.
So how we managed to do this was to remarket by using the magic of remarketing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Since we took the data of the last 90.
Like the people we took the data from the website, people who visited the site in 90 days, the last 90 days,
and it was amounted up to 19,000, right? 19,000 people visited the site through our campaigns, through our paid campaigns in the last 90 days. So what we thought was, the psychology behind it was, hey, we have these 19,000 people who actually know our brand, who knows what our product does, and who might be interested, but wasn't ready to purchase.
They need that final push. Final push. So if we didn't, you might think we are giving them on a discounted price, but then if we don't do the sale, they are never going to become a customer. So the lifetime, when you look at the lifetime value, it's actually hugely profitable.
That's something that everyone who's doing e-commerce should be looking at, right? The lifetime value of the product, right? It means you shouldn't be looking at the profit that is made by one purchase. You should be calculating how much money
user is going to bring
a single user is going to bring to us, right? That's lifetime value. You can Google it, and you'll get algorithms to find that too. And the cost of acquisition is also something that many people don't use. You have to keep the cost of acquisition of a single customer below the lifetime value of that customer, right? So, it makes sense, right?
It makes sense. So basically, you should think about the lifetime value and the cost of acquisition, not the cost of the value of the product and not the cost of the per order. But anyways, we spoke to him. This was also a profitable campaign. Even if he gives this much discount, it's still profitable. So we ran the campaign and we only spent 500 rupees.
Yeah, what we did was we put up a Facebook creative saying that hey, there is a sale on it, and we started the campaign in midnight and ran a reach campaign, retargeting all those 19,000 people by spending only 500 rupees, right? So yeah.
So the return on ad spend, actually, Jason, can you show that it's actually 120 times? The return is actually 120 times.
Yeah.
So directly from the ad itself, we actually got around, I think, 60,000 rupees sale. We pulled out around 60,000 rupees sale just by spending 500 rupees.
Yeah.
And
moving out of the ads, right? You got the point. Remarketing using Facebook. You got the point, right? So that's not the only thing. You should be thinking about how you can sell without spending any money, right? So you have to use the power of data. So for example, two tools that really helped us bring this kind of free sale was
actually WhatsApp
and email, right?
So I'm going to tell you how the WhatsApp thing worked. Actually, I told you, right? We showed 86,000 sales, but we told, right, we got 60,000 rupees sales from the ads. But here's the thing. So we recovered 20,000 rupees worth of sales using WhatsApp abandoned cart messages. So basically what happens is when they abandon the cart, abandoned cart means basically they type in all their numbers and everything. They're really hot leads, okay, really hot audiences. They fill up everything, but they don't make the payment. They just leave it at the last moment. So we know that they really want it. So we set up an automated abandoned carts message system where automatically after 15 minutes a message goes to their WhatsApp saying, you know what, hey, you left out the
item in your cart, you might go back and buy it, right?
And you can see that we have recovered 7.64% of the sales.
Yeah,
absolutely.
And yeah, WhatsApp is something that is not even explored by marketers, and WhatsApp is opening up their APIs for marketers to do strategical promotions, right? So you should be looking into it. You should go Google it and how you can use WhatsApp for your business, right?
Yeah.
So moving out from WhatsApp, there's this tool called Klaviyo. So I'm talking about email marketing. So when you hear email marketing, you would be saying,
you're gonna think it's like it's dead.
No, it's dead. It's not 2001 or 2002. It's dead, Jason. What are you saying? So yeah, it's dead if you send out a dump email, right? So what we did was we found out this tool called Klaviyo, and we automated the email, right? So one of the ads managers in our team brought out this tool and told us, hey, we can actually automate and trigger send emails according to triggers, right?
So it's not just one email that you're sending. It's not just like, hey, listen, you forgot to add it back to the cart.
Yeah.
Because emails have a small tendency to have a little bit low open rates.
Yeah.
So but what we ended up doing was we sent out a first email after 1 hour. I guess 1 hour. 1 hour, and then after waiting for 12 hours, the second email goes out to the people who actually
opened the first email, right? So those people who actually opened
and didn't buy.
Yeah, opened the first email and didn't buy actually have some kind of more interest than those who didn't even spend time to open it, right? So that's a psychology that we are using. So if you open the first abandoned cart email, we'll be following up with you after 10, maybe 12 hours, and hopefully pray that you change your mind and you have time to get into the store and buy something. So you should be using automation. This is a very basic automation we did. So in your industry, you have a lot of things to, maybe it's a 3-layer automation, maybe it's a
5-layer automation.
It
could be a horizontal layers as well. You can set up.
If you have multiple products, you can send particular emails to those people who are looking for a particular product in a particular category, right? So there's a lot of infinite number of possibilities. So automation is another thing.
These things is that emails and WhatsApp recovery, they're actually free. Free actually, like they just cost like very cents.
Yeah, you can see it here. Like we almost recovered 10,000 rupees from emails, right? Yeah, you have to believe that you can actually make money out of emails, and these are it's in free trial pack, right?
Yeah, and the best thing about it is that you have to notice we made 80,000 rupees sale, out of which 10,000 came from
here and 20,000 came from WhatsApp, and almost 30,000.
It's actually around 30,000 rupees. That means 30,000 out of email. I think around 15%.
Yeah, it's totally free, just from data that you're getting from your users, right? So
and it's not the end of it. I'm pretty sure we're going to get more sales from the follow up on WhatsApp
Absolutely,
email as well.
And one more thing that I would be recommending you to look up on is push notification, right? So push notification, you can Google it if you don't know what it is. It is a small thing that comes up here in your
PC.
in your PC.
And also in your mobile also, when you put down, you can see this Chrome notification show up.
Yeah,
So that's
you can actually automate that also accordingly, just like how we did email, right? So what I'll be doing is I'll be linking the WhatsApp app and the Klaviyo and push notification apps in the below. We don't have any kind of affiliations for that. You can just check it out, and if you don't like that, you can go for some kind of alternatives such as MailChimp or something like that. So that's the roundabout.
It's a roundabout, and it was a pretty happy campaign for us and the client as well. So it was a really good journey.
So I hope you guys can actually get good.
Oh, and on a side note, actually, when we actually ran the campaign, the next thing what happened was we actually thought maybe the next day the sales would go down because a lot of people purchased it. But to be honest, next day actually the sales went up from the day before we ran the campaign, and it's actually maybe let's just say 10% higher, maybe not 10, 5 to 10% higher.
Yeah. It didn't go down. The brand story was shared by more people.
More people. So it went up. So even though the price was returned to the normal range, it went up, and
so that's a story that we are trying to push out, and hopefully this would help you in some ways in your business if you have an e-commerce sites, right? So that's it from us, and if you like the video, just give us a subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell, and just comment down if you have any kind of doubts, so that we can actually get down to the comments and reply to you.
So
I
guess
that's wise.